In 2006, Dasso introduced dassoXTR bamboo decking to the world market. It was first used at the Shanghai Expo in China, almost 2 miles worth of the product on a gigantic exterior project. And it's been used all over the world, in Europe, for example, in Switzerland, in Germany, in Holland, and other places. So dassoXTR planks are very familiar in the market globally. But what we're introducing today is dassoXTR tiles. It comes in a 1 foot by 2 foot product, and it's almost 100% bamboo. It's termite resistant, fungus resistant, water resistant, and it's just a good eco-friendly product. On the back, it comes with a very durable plastic grid that allows this product to be put together and click together very easily. It can be used in inside or outdoor applications, for example, patios or garden paths, on the beach itself, and even in exterior showers. So there's so many uses that this product can be used for. Now check out how easy it is to install. So once you determine the pattern you want, in this particular one we're laying 2 tiles side by side so it creates the illusion of a 2 foot square tile. It's simple. You just take the tile, lay it in, click it down. The next tile, lay it in, click it down. Now you're going to reverse your pattern. It's the same easy click. Take it in, get it lined up, click it down. One more tile, same easy pattern. So it's just that simple. So there you have it. All it takes to install dassoXTR is a pair of gloves. For more information about dassoXTR and other Dasso products, go to dassousa.com.